Hi everyone, I am Dr. Surjit Singh. This is Leetcode problem number 989. This is a simple problem in which we add an integer to a list of digits. Let us begin. We are given a list of digits num and an integer k. The list represents an integer formed by these given digits. Our aim is to get another list which is the sum of the integer num and the integer k. We will follow the school book procedure for this addition. We are given the number 875 expressed in the form of a list called num. We are also given an integer k which has value equal to 9406. We will add the two numbers and return the result in the list form. For convenience, I rename k as carry. Now we process all the digits in the list num one by one in the reverse order. In each iteration, we add carry to the current number. The sum of 9406 and 5 is 9411. We perform integer division of this number by 10, which splits into two parts. This is done using the Python function divmod. Next, we save the quotient to the carry and remainder to the current position of num, and we get these values. In the next iteration, we add 941 to 7 and get 948. Again, we carry its integer division by 10. Next, we save the quotient to the carry and remainder to the current position of num to get these values. In the third iteration, we add 94 to 8 to get 102, which is split into 10 and 2. And we get 10 as the final value of carry, while 2 is saved in num. After coming out of the loop, we have to take care of the final value of carry. We check if carry is non-zero. Yes, it is non-zero. So we convert carry to str to make it an iterable. Map function processes an iterable one by one. First character is extracted from the string and converted to an integer, which is appended to a list. Then the next character is extracted and is also converted to an integer and is appended to the same list. After all the characters of the string are processed, we obtain carry in the form of a list. We have adopted this shortcut because str function is allowed in the present problem. If that is not allowed, we will have to repeatedly divide the carry by 10 till the quotient is 0 and collect all the remainders in the form of a list, which will have to be reversed at the end. Finally, this list is placed in front of num and the two lists are joined. Using concatenation of two lists, which is represented by the plus operation, and we get the final list num. Last statement of the program returns this final list. N is the length of the list num and log k gives us the number of digits in k. Time complexity is higher of these two numbers. Output also depends upon these two numbers, so space complexity also depends upon these two numbers. This is a simple problem in which we have seen some interesting concepts that are useful in other Leetcode problems. Keep watching my videos. Your comments are welcome.